Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I'm kind of excited today because it's been a while since I did a sit down video. I know I always say that it's been a while since I did a sit down video. You may be wondering, why is she talking like it's been a while? Even though I uploaded some videos like last week or so, but those videos were like pre-recorded, and yeah, pre-recorded like months, like how many months, like months ago. So yeah, for me it's been a while, but for you it's not going to be. Now in today's video we are going to be talking about the one of the most popular topics that I've shared on this channel, which is like, I don't know if you are new or if you are already been watching my videos or you've been subscribed to this channel. You most probably know that I shared a video using Head and Shoulders to clear my acne. That video was one of my most popular videos here on this channel, aside from doing, underarm videos. I am so happy that I got the chance to share that because I helped a lot of people clear their fungal acne on this video. I wasn't really expecting that. There are two videos actually, and the second video that I did was answering the most asked question, repeated questions that I always get regarding using Head and Shoulders on my fungal acne. But even so, I still got a lot of questions, especially regarding like using different types of or brands of dandruff shampoo towards their fungal acne, if other brands would work on fungal acne. So if you're still interested to see if other brands of dandruff shampoo really work on fungal acne, then you better keep on watching this video. But before we get started, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and if you like, also hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video, or yeah, if you are interested in my videos. Hey everyone, welcome back. So since I already did a video on answering most of the popular questions that I always get on this topic, so in today's video we are not going to answer like other questions. I'm going to be sharing something specific, like can other brands of dandruff shampoo work on fungal acne? So before we get started, let's talk about my skin background first. For those who do not know or haven't been on this channel, I have an oily skin. I have acne prone skin. I get blackheads, whiteheads easily, very congested skin if I'm not using the right skincare for my skin. My skin gets clogged easily. And also I am more on the mature side. Yeah, I am already in my 40s, 40 plus to be exact. I don't know. Guess on the comment section how many plus. But I am already in my 40s. So yeah, that is my skin type. That is going to be our reference on this video. So since a lot of you are asking if like other brands of dandruff shampoo would really work, one thing to really remember is that just make sure that your acne is a fungal acne. Because if it's not a fungal acne, then definitely the dandruff shampoo will not work on that acne. So since I get a lot of questions like that, I just realized that maybe I need to do a little experimentation on my skin. And luckily, luckily for you, but not for me, I have this like a lot of bumps going on here on my forehead. I don't know why. I don't know what happened, but I just got this bumps here that was so itchy, and it's not going away. I don't know why. And even though I already applied something on it like salicylic acid to like open the pores, and then applied my trusty moisturizer that is for acne, which makes your acne, or at least my acne, go away very fast, but those two did not work. I've used a very mild soap just to make sure that it will not get irritated, but still it did not go away. So One day I just realized maybe this is fungal acne. So this is the right opportunity for me to try a different brand of dandruff shampoo. Since I am here in Japan, I was looking for Head and Shoulders here, but they do not sell Head and Shoulders here. And when I went to the drugstore, I saw like H&S. I don't know if H&S and Head and Shoulders are the same, but according to my research, Procter & Gamble made them both, but according to my research, Head and Shoulders and H&S are not the same. So Head and Shoulders is Head and Shoulders, but H&S stands for Head and Skincare. So they are completely different. So that would be our answer. They are not the same. And also, according to my research, both of them are really different because active ingredients on Head and Shoulders for fungus or fungal or for dandruff is phyrethiazine. If you remember that on the last videos, that it is phyrethiazine, ZPT, that's what they call it in Head and Shoulders commercial. But on H&S, their active ingredients for dandruff is pyroxenolone. So in that case, yeah, most probably they are not the same. So like I've said, I went to the drugstore and very excited to try it because I wanted to get rid of this itching and small bumps on the forehead. I am kind of nervous, to be honest, because what if, you know, it will, I don't know, you know, a lot of thinking. So the way that I use the shampoo, it's just the same with Head and Shoulders before. If I am using any makeup, I remove my makeup first and then wash lightly with the usual soap that I use on my face and then apply the Head and Shoulders. Some people say that they leave the dandruff shampoo on their skin for like 5 minutes, but for me, I don't do that because I have sensitive skin and I worry if I do too much on my skin, I would end up like irritating my skin. So like I've said, I removed my makeup, washed lightly my face, and then applied the dandruff shampoo on the areas where I only need it, guys. Only on the areas that you need. Okay, just remember that. Make sure to remember that. I massage it first onto the skin very well so that it will penetrate there, and then I typically just leave it for like 10 seconds. I count 1 to 10 and then I'm ready to rinse. That quick. I really don't necessarily need to leave it on my skin because we don't want any irritation. So every night I do that because I always shower at night. I only use the dandruff shampoo once a day, so not more than twice a day. So once a day every time I shampoo my hair, and then instantly I notice from like the 3rd day, I guess, that or the 2nd day, that it the bumps here are like, it's not itchy and it's starting to like lessen. Yeah, it has lessened, and then after a week it's like there are few left and it's not bumpy anymore. I was a little nervous and skeptical at first, but I think I am going on the right way on this one. So after like 2 weeks only of using the H&S dandruff shampoo, my bumps here are flat. Like, it's not itchy, it's gone. Like magic, gone. Yeah. So therefore, I conclude that dandruff shampoo really works on fungal acne, at least for me. And I also tried, I have a bump here on my lip, near my lip, and I also tried putting that here on my lip, and then it also worked on that one. Yeah. So let's not make this video too long. The conclusion to my theory of using a dandruff shampoo on fungal acne is it worked on my fungal acne, guys. I hope that this video has answered your question if dandruff shampoo would work on fungal acne. Definitely, it worked on my acne. So I think that's it for today's video. I'm not making this any longer. And I hope that this has helped you, especially for those who are currently experiencing or like suffering, not suffering, suffering is too harsh, but experiencing at least fungal acne on your face. Better try this hack using a dandruff shampoo on your fungal acne. I think that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for always tuning in and always coming back and always supporting my channel. I truly appreciate that from the bottom of my heart. And always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. And remember, the makeup is not a mask worn to hide oneself, but rather makes you a better you. Thank you always for tuning, friends, and I hope to see you all on the next one. Bye.